How to fade in and fade out video in CapCut. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the tutorial. Tap open your CapCut application. Then select a video that you want to fade in or fade out. Now CapCut has a built-in effect. You just have to tap on effect, then tap on video effect. Now you can search from here. If not, in the search bar, just go ahead and search for fade in. Tap on the effect. Now you can adjust this effect easily. Now as you can see, there is a drag icon. You can just drag in or out, and you can adjust the length of the effect. Now once you are done, to add a fade out effect, again select the video effect, search for fade out. Tap on the fade out option. Then you can also adjust it by dragging it in and out. To increase the intensity, tap on adjust. You can increase the speed of the blur. You can easily replace it, duplicate it, and if you tap on object, you can arrange where you want this blur effect to be, either if it's on overlay video or main video. Now if you give it a play, it's gonna look something like this. Wasn't it such an easy process? And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.